Hi guys, my Maono AU-PM422 just arrived a couple of days ago. In this video, I'll be sharing with you my unboxing, quick installation, product features and sound test of this microphone. So let's jump into it right now. The box is wrapped with one layer of bubble wrap. Well, the good thing is, there is not any dent despite only one layer of bubble wrap. Inside the box, there's a lot of accessories for this price, which is about 300 ringgit. There is one user manual, a sponge cover, a pop filter, of course, the microphone. The overall body is metal, which makes this feel premium and good quality. A USB-A to B cable, a table clamp, a microphone stand, and one piece of velcro for a better wiring management. And lastly, a shock mount. The installation is pretty simple. Firstly, find a suitable spot and tighten the table clamp. Then, mount the microphone stand and slowly tighten the knob just a bit so you can easily move and adjust to your desired position. Next, adjust the shock mount. And put the microphone on it and tighten it so it is steadily mounted on the shock mount. To mount the pop filter, tighten the knob on this stainless steel connector to the shock mount. As for the sponge cover, just put on the microphone and turn it around. The reason I chose Maono AU-PM422 microphone is that it is just a plug and play microphone and I do not need an external sound card at all. This is really suitable for a beginner like me. Aside from that, there's a touch mute and unmute button which is very convenient. With this, I can quickly mute and unmute without needing to open back my meeting software or Discord if I'm at another screen. Having a mic gain also comes in handy if I need to quickly adjust the volume, and the 3.5mm audio jack is a bonus as I can monitor my recording with zero latency. Just so you know, from the start of this video, the audio is recorded by this Maono AU-PM422, but let's explore how it sounds with different settings and setup. In this test, I will be speaking about 10 cm away from the microphone with 50% of the mic gain volume, or in another measurement which is at 12 o'clock. This is how it sounds when I speak from the front of the microphone. This is how it sounds when I speak from the side of the microphone. This is how it sounds when I speak from the back of the microphone. This is how it sounds with mic gain at 9 o'clock. And this is how it sounds when I'm talking and typing at the same time. This is how it sounds with mic gain at 12 o'clock. And this is how it sounds when I'm talking and typing at the same time. This is how it sounds with mic gain at 3 o'clock. And this is how it sounds when I'm talking and typing at the same time. After listening to the sound recording, I think the mic gain at the middle sounds the best, and it is not too soft and not too loud, and with very minimal background noise. Tell me, what do you guys think? With this, I will proceed with 50% mic gain to test how it sounds with and without filters by testing plosive speech sounds like peace and bees. PKP, PKPD, PKPB, PKPP. PKP, PKPD, PKPB, PKPP. PKP, PKPD, PKPB, PKPP. Overall, I'm very satisfied with this purchase. With this mic, I can bid farewell to my current Huawei earphone with a built-in microphone. If you are looking for a budget yet quality microphone for streaming, voiceover or online meeting, I would definitely recommend the Maono AU-PM422. As always, thank you for watching, and if this helps you in any way, I'd appreciate it if you could hit the like button and subscribe to get updated on my new videos. Till then, I hope to see you in my next video.